Hello and welcome to my channel, designed by Josephine and Josie. And today's video is 2 Christmas tablescapes video. So I have 2 Christmas tablescapes, and I should have posted these Christmas tablescapes earlier, but I was having some technical difficulties. But now everything's okay, and I'm able to post videos because, like I have mentioned, it's been a while since I posted videos in this channel, and now I'm able to do that. So I'm very, very happy, and because I was having some technical difficulties. So first off, I want to say Merry Christmas to all of my wonderful friends here on YouTube, all of my wonderful subscribers who have been supporting me. And thank you so much for your comments. I read all of them. I enjoy reading the comments, and this is what gets me going. This is what makes me continue to do more videos, and I'll continue to do more videos. Like I have mentioned, I have not been posting videos because of some technical difficulties and other things that have been going on. I've been really busy, but I am going to go back on schedule when it comes to posting videos. So again, Merry Christmas to all of my wonderful subscribers and my wonderful friends here on YouTube. So, of course, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel. And if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And all of my social media links is going to be down below in the description box. So now let me go ahead and get started on these 2 Christmas tablescapes.